Lexi, that's a gear shift. Can you say gear shift? Whoop. Okay, where's the steering wheel? Do you know where the steering wheel is? Where's the steering wheel? Good. Can you say gear shift? Gear shift. Gear shift. Is somebody tickling you? Is somebody tickling you? Can you say gear shift? Gear shift. Where's the gear shift? Where is it? Can you show Mama the gear shift? It's not back there. Hey, handsome baby. Love you. Oh, yeah. Hi. Can you wave hello? Hi. Hello. Say I'm driving Daddy's car. Can you drive? Can you use the steering wheel? Can you use the steering wheel? Where's the steering wheel? Where's the steering wheel? Do you know? That's the steering wheel. That's right. And if you stand up on the seat, you can see out the window. Where's the gear shift? That's the steering wheel. Where's the gear shift? That's the gear shift. You're right. You're very smart. Can you say gear shift? Gear shift. All right. Yeah. All right. Wave bye-bye. See you later. I'm going to go driving now. Bye.